2018 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, climate control, power door locks, power windows, clock, side airbag, CD player, tachometer, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, power outlets, rear view camera, power mirrors, tilt steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.